Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mr. Rahman and we're back with another video. So alright guys, today we're going to make an experiment with baby diaper. So here's our baby diaper. So we're going to make a instant ice with baby diaper.
Oh my god!
So alright guys, so please everybody come on the stage. So we have fat baby, we have slim baby, we have small baby, and we have shy baby. So what actually happened here? So these babies are so big, as you guys can see. So that's why we put diaper on head. So there is no other way. So before we start our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So alright guys, let's cut this diaper. So let's cut it. So as you guys can see, the white powder came out from diaper. I'm going to show you here. This is a white powder. So I'm going to take out all this white powder from diaper. So alright guys, just see what happened when I pour water into this powder. A magic will happen. Just wait. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. That's enough guys. Alright guys, we made ice. Let's see how amazing. Oh my god. There's no water guys. Very amazing. All this water is vanished guys. Oh my god. How amazing guys, right? So what happened here? So let me tell you what happened here. What's happened here? There is a secret particle in this diaper. Secret particle also called polyacrylate. So this is all is polyacrylate. These things absorb lots of water, as you guys saw. So now we are going to cut this all diaper and take out all this polyacrylate. So let's see how much ice we can make. So guys, please come over here, everyone. So these guys will help me to take out this all polyacrylate. So
the video of removing white powder from our baby diaper was accidentally ruined, so we can show that clip.
1 hour later.
alright guys, after 1 hour we actually take out all this white powder from 4 diapers. So let's see how much water can absorb this powder. So I'm going to pour water. This is 2-liter bottle. So ready. Half bottle already. We put 1 liter water and there's no water inside guys. Alright guys, as you guys can see, there is no water guys. So I'm going to pour more water. Let's pour more. And guys, no water inside this plate. As you guys can see, there is no water guys, no water, and it looks like ice, but it's fake. Actually it's not ice, it's a jelly type thing. As you guys can see, I squish it. Awesome, so satisfying guys, so satisfying. So you guys saw we poured 2-liter water into this plate, and then after there's no water. into this pen. Only this polyacrylate, I mean this white powder, I mean instant ice. I don't know what to say. I'm really happy. It's worked, guys. It's totally worked. All this ice, guys. This is the ice ball. The ice ball, guys. Awesome, guys. Awesome. So yeah, this is the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. So this is lot of experiment. My name is Mushfiqur Rahman, and I will catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.